Let's go, come on. This is strong as everybody should have a truck like this. Hey guys, it's John Hennessey. I'm out here in sunny Sealy, Texas, and I'm getting ready to go test drive a vehicle that's newer to our fleet. It's our Venom 800 Supercharged lowered Ford F-150 two-door truck. This is a truck that I'm very, very excited about, and I've got a line of them here. So we're gonna go down to the vehicle that I'm gonna drive. But this is a pickup truck that you can buy brand new from the Ford dealer. So we've got King Grody Ford, Galpin Ford out in California. We've got 5-Star Ford in Dallas. And we have probably over 100 Ford dealerships around the country that now inventory you can walk in and buy an 800 horsepower supercharged Hennessey F-150 truck with all-wheel drive. We'll do 0 to 60 in the low 3-second range, carbon fiber galore. We've got a Raptor R, Velociraptor 1000 here, but we are building lots and lots of these trucks. I think this year we'll build probably 200, and the next year for 26 will be even more. This has got the upgraded Brembo brakes, lightweight, powerful, fast. Again, the carbon fiber work, the carbon fiber fender flares, the carbon fiber vent, carbon fiber front grille, and splitter. So it's got our 91 graphics package on it. The company was founded in 1991. So this is something I'm very excited to drive. I've driven a few iterations in the past, but this is the first time that I'll be driving the Venom 800 as a complete package that you can buy, again, from the Ford dealer. And I'm super excited about it. So I'm gonna go out and give a few driving impressions, and I'll see you in the truck. Thanks. Okay, here we are in the Venom 800 Supercharged two-door Ford F-150 truck. We're at two-wheel drive right now, just kind of warming the truck up, warming up the tires. The back of our used to be Lone Star Motorsports Park, quarter-mile drag strip that we bought about 20 years ago, and now we call it the Pennzoil Proving Grounds. Our longtime partner, the folks from Pennzoil, help us do cool stuff out here, so we'll just kind of just roll in the throttle just like gently, just kind of warming her up. Nice sound. Yeah, this truck is really designed to where our clients can own this truck, daily drive it, put your golf clubs in the back, kind of an under the radar screen, kind of a super truck, honestly. The amount of performance and bang for the buck and just fun factor that this truck delivers is just tremendous. I mean, again, we modify a lot of trucks. Literally this year we'll modify a little over 900 vehicles, the majority of those being trucks and SUVs. And love driving the Raptor R, the Velociraptor 1000 Raptor R is tremendous. But you know what you have with the majority of the trucks that we build, or the trucks in the marketplace, are 4 doors. So you've got the practicality of being able to put people and stuff in the back. And when you go back to old school like this, like the original Lightning, where you've got a 2-door sport pickup truck with 800 horsepower and rear-wheel drive, oh boy, it's a whole different experience. This is really much more like a muscle car. And so again, now that we're a little bit warmed up, we'll give it a little bit more throttle going around the back of the track. But the fun factor on this particular vehicle is just, it's a 10 out of 10. So if again, you're looking for a vehicle that is understated, it's a truck, but it's just a total blast to drive, this is the one. Oh yeah. Good Brembo brakes. Lowered suspension, so it's pretty flat. We'll let it rip on the straightaway here. All right, here we go. Here we go. gets to 120 pretty quick. And the good Brembo brakes bring her on down. Well, that's impressive. Really, really fun. Sorry, my iPhone's getting slung around a little bit. Let's see here. Now, I don't know if you can see it on the camera here, but we've got our new 48,000 square foot advanced manufacturing facility where we're going to build a lot more cars, trucks, and SUVs. Should be done. Well, it should be functional. It won't be completed till probably the middle of next year, but we'll start utilizing the space for manufacturing here at the beginning of 2026. So pretty exciting. Yeah, just it's like 50% throttle at 35, 40 miles an hour. And it just wants to rotate the tires, which is just I like. We're gonna go down here and do start from a dead dig in 2-wheel drive, and then we'll do it in a 4-wheel drive. Let's see what it wants to do. We'll leave the traction control on, 2-wheel drive. Alright, let's see what she does here. So some tire spin. Spins through second. About 60 she's gone. Man, this thing's fast. I mean, it gets at 120 like nothing. And having the confidence with the big Brembos up front is really, really nice. That's actually a pretty strong start for leaving the traction control on. It still wants to spin, which is nice. But the car just kind of just spins and hooks up and goes. So again, having a 800 horsepower lightweight truck that you can leave in 2-wheel drive, yeah, it'll spin, but not like you're just going to just sit there and spin and not go. It's moving. So we'll make another launch with in 4-wheel drive, and it'll launch off the line even harder. All right, here we go in all-wheel drive, actually 4-wheel drive mode. Ready, set. Oh yeah, let's go, come on. This is strong as shit. Wow. Wow. Come on. Man, that is impressive. Everybody should have a truck like this. 800 horsepower, 4-wheel drive, launches like a freaking cat. Wow. That is spectacular. All right, as Jay Leno would say, will it do a burnout? So I think it will. Pretty sure that it will, especially since it wants to spin the tires at 40 miles an hour. All right, let's see here. Yep, she does a burnout. What an awesome truck. Venom 800 Supercharged, F-150 by Hennessey. You could buy it at most local Ford dealerships now. Go get one.